Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium question that I originally solved over half a year ago, but I just reviewed it a couple seconds for this video. So let's refresh the page and try it again. So basically you're given the head of a non-empty linked list, right? And this is not an array, but we want to turn it into an integer array so that we can take this number, turn it into a string, turn it into an integer, then double it, and then turn it back into a linked list. So let's go ahead and turn this linked list into an integer array. Declare an empty list while head cur.append head.value cur equals cur.next or head equals head.next. So moving the pointer to the next value. Let's print current. Okay, and to make this easier, because we want to join this together and multiply by 2, let's actually append a string version instead of the integer version, so that we can say h is a string version of current. Cool. Now let's print h because we want to multiply this by 2. So this is a string, so now we have to convert it back into an integer. And let's say double is h times 2. Let's print double. Cool. So now we have 378. So now let's turn this back into a linked list. And the way to do that is by converting this back into a string. So for dn string of double, so we can actually iterate over each character if it's a string. Let's call this result. Result.append integer of d, because we still want the integer linked list as the output. Let's print result. Cool. So 378, 1998. Now we want to turn this integer array back into a linked list, and the way to do that is using a dummy node, list node class initialization. This is going to move throughout the array to point to the next node, almost acting like an iterator. So for r in results in this integer array, the next pointer is going to point to a list node of actual r, which is the integer itself, to create the current node. And then it's going to move next. And then we can return the original saved linked list, which points to the head, which now is linked to every other node. So you can see that we get an error here. So what we have to do, basically just take this, put it here, set it to like a really big number so we don't have this exceeds limit error. And there you go. So passes all test cases. Not the most efficient solution, but I did come up with this on my own, and I think it's really intuitive. Again, as with all my linked list videos, turn the linked list into an integer array, manipulate it, turn it back into a linked list, just to make things easy. It might use extra memory, but I think it's a very beginner-friendly approach, and it's easily understandable. So thank you for watching this video, and consider subscribing and stay tuned for more.